Now, our shell inspections, we're looking for a couple of different things. We're looking for, is the pool surface itself in good condition? So if the finish is in good condition, that means that it's going to be a viable substrate for our new finish. That means we can apply our bonding agent on here and we'll have a really good adhesion, a good mechanical bond to our finish. However, sometimes we end up with what we call hollow or delaminated pockets. And that's where the finish coating is no longer adhered to the concrete shell. And we will walk around with a hammer in the pool, listening for those sounds, and those are not good sounds. That means that this finish has to come out. When we start finding pockets like this, and you can see, we had these previously exposed so that we could talk about it, but when you start finding pockets like this, what this tells me is if I don't remove this finish, when we come to put the new finish in, this delamination is going to continue to happen underneath our new finish and will eventually cause a failure of the new finish. And why is this important? Well, lots of times when you're out there having contractors bidding resurfacing your pool, nobody's going to bring this kind of stuff up. These can be surprise costs. This is one thing that we are very good at talking with our clients about is, with any renovation, there can be surprises, there can be unknowns. So our guys are trained to walk you through all of these things, talk about potential costs that you may see arise, and this doesn't happen on every pool. I would say maybe 30% or so will see something similar to this, which, 30% is still a lot, but that tells you the kind of work that was being done 15, 20 years ago. It also could, tell you that the pool's not being maintained properly because water chemistry can destroy this stuff. But at the end of the day, we want to make sure that when we're done with this project, your pool is going to last for the long term. So again, we'll end up having to completely remove the old finish of this pool. That way we've got a nice solid substrate underneath for our new finish.